English version Mathematics Class 5 Chapter 2. Number 1. Put the tick mark on the correct answer. Here number 1. 12 minus 7 into 2 minus 2. Answer B 8. Number 2. How many notes of 50 taka make 2000 taka? Answer D 40 notes. C. Jamil bought 4 pen for 32 taka. How much money will be need to buy 15 pens? Answer C 120 taka. 4. The price of 1 dozen pencil is 48 taka. What is the price of 8 pencils? Answer D 32 taka. Number 5. 364 mangoes are equally distributed among mangoes 15 people. How many will remain? Answer A 4. The mother is 3 times of daughter is. The daughter is 15 years old. What will be mother is after 10 years? 55 years. Answer C. Number 7. Which is the following symbol will not blank of the mathematical sentence? Less than. Number 8. Which of the following is an example of an open sentence? Answer B. Number 3. Let us calculus. Number 1. 7 into 6 plus 24 minus. Answer 7 into 6 plus 24 minus 10. 7 into 6 plus 15. 7 into 20 equal to 140. Number 2. 18 divided by 1 plus 4 divided by 1 minus 5 divided by 1 plus 8 divided by 2 equal to 6. Number 3. 111 minus 8 divided by 23 minus 16 plus 4 minus 5. Answer equal to 110. Number 5. The price of 12 bananas and 8 papayas together is 16 taka. If the price of 1 banana is 8 taka, what will be the price of 1 papaya? Let's see how to solve this. Here the total price of banana 12 in 12 banana into 8 taka, that means 96 taka, and the total price of papaya, if we 616 subtract 96 equal to 520 taka. Then find the price of papayas 520 divided by 8. Here told them the 8 papayas. That means 520 divided by 8 papayas equal to 65 taka. Then answer 65 taka per papaya price. Number 6. The price of 4 cow and 8 goats together 6,25,800 taka. The price of 1 goat 17,600. What is the price of 1 cow? So total cost of goats 8 goats 17,600 is, that means 8 goats into 17,600 140 1,40,800 taka goat price. Now if we subtract the cow price from the goat price, the total cow's price cost of 6,25,800 subtract 1,40,800, that means 4,85,000 taka only. Then cow, how many cow? 4 cow. Then we divided by the total cow price. The total cow price 4,85,000 divided by 4 equal to 1,21,250 taka. Then answer 1,21,250 taka per cow price. Number 7. Kia and Maruf together spent 70,500 taka per month on their household expense. Maruf monthly expense 600 taka more than Kia. What are the respective monthly family expenditures of Kia and Maruf? Subtract the difference between Kia and Maruf. Then Maruf expense 6,000 taka extra. Then subtract between 6 subtract of difference 70,500. So 6,000 minus 6,000 equal to 64,500 taka. Then Kia expenditure will be 74,500 taka. This is the both Kia expenditure 64,500 divided by 2. Hence there are two, Maruf and Kia. So Kia's expenditure 32,500 taka and Maruf expenditure 32,500 32,250 plus 600, that means 38,250 taka. Answer 38,000. Maruf expense 38,250 taka and Kia expenditure 32,250 taka. Number 8. Ronnie and Boshir together have 780 leases. Boshir has 64 more leases than Ronnie. How many leases does each of them have? That means Boshir has 60 more than lease than Ronnie. So Boshir has Boshir 64 if we subtract, then both then we get the both of the 780 minus 64 equal to 716. 716 leases are they both. Then each person has 716 divided by 2 equal to 358 leases. Then Boshir has 64 more, so 358 plus 64 equal to 422. Answer Ronnie has 358 and Boshir has 422 leases. Number 9. Mr. Saib bought 25 kg of rice, mustard oil costing 350 taka and spice costing 668 taka. The price of rice per kg was 72 taka. He gave the shopkeeper 3,000. How much money did the shopkeeper return to him? It's a very tricky question. Let's see what is the rice price. So it's a rice price equal to rice costing 25 kg rice and 72 taka per kg. So 1800 taka rice costing. And so total costing, rice costing plus mustard oil costing plus spice costing 2,818 taka. The shopkeeper returned 3000 minus 2818 taka equal to 182 taka. Answer 182 taka. Number 10. At a fruit shop, one pineapple sold 48 taka, one pomegranate 95 and custard apple 75 taka. Sonia buys 4 pineapple, 2 pomegranate and 5 custard apple and give 1000 taka to the shopkeeper. How much money will she get to return from the shopkeeper? So let's check how much he spent. Pineapple price. So pineapple 48 into 4 equal to 192. Pomegranate equal to 95 into 2 equal to 190 and custard apple 75 into 5 375. Then total price 192 plus 190 plus 375 equal to 757. Shopkeeper will be returned 1000 minus 757 equal to 234 taka. Then answer 234 taka. Number 11. 3 siblings named Arifin, Sultan and Shikha, among with their father, went to a fair, had a cursor ride. For the ride itself per person to pay 15 taka each time. Arifin had 5 times, Sultan has 7 times and Shikha 1 time. Father gave 500 taka to the counter. How much will be returned? The total ride, how much ride they receive? 5, 7 and 1 equal to 13 rides. And per ride costing equal to 15. Then 13 into 15 to 195 taka. Then return amount will be 500 minus 195 taka equal to 305 taka. Answer 305 taka. Number 12. The sum of age of mother and their son is 45 years. The mother is 4 times of the son. How old of mother and son? Here told the mother is 4 times then the son. The sum of age equal to m and age equal to 45. That means mother and son is equal to 45. And the things, the relation, mother is 4 times than the son. That means m equal to 4 into s, 4 times the son. Then so we can write 4s plus s equal to 45 or 5s equal to 45 or s equal to 9. Then m equal to 4s, 4 into 9, 36. So mother is 36 years and son is 9 years. Number 13. A worker earned 3125 taka in 5 days. How many does he earn in 3 weeks? Then 5 days income 3125 taka. Then 1 day income, let's check the worker daily income 3125 divided by 5 equal to 625 taka per day. Then since there are 7 days in a week, so calculate then 3 weeks. 3 weeks is 7 into 3 equal to 21 days. So total income of 3 weeks or 21 days equal to 625 into 21 equal to 13,125 taka. Answer total income or total earning 13,125 125 টাকা। Number 14, Shariful bought 3 notebooks for 72 টাকা. How much money would he need to buy 12 notebooks? That means price per notebook that he bought 72, 3 by 72. Then per notebook 72 divided by 3 equal to 24 taka. And total money he need to work for 12 notebook, 12 into 24 equal to 288 taka. Answer, total money he need for 12 notebook equal to 288 taka. English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 2, Number 15. 16 laborers built a wall in 7 days. How much? Number A, how many days will take for 4 laborers to build the wall? And B, how many additional workers are needed to build the wall in 2 days? Here that's 2 questions. One, 4 laborers, how many days need for 4 laborers, and 2 days. If we want done the work for 2 days, then how many laborers additional they need? Let's see. Number A, how many how many days need for 4 laborers? If 16 labor works 7 days, that means total works equal to 16 into 7 equal to 112 days. For A, if only 4 laborers are working, that means 112 divided by 4 equal to 28 days. 28 days 4 laborers can done the work. And then how many additional works for 2 days? Then the total number of labor to need complete the work in 2 days, 112 divided by 2, that means 56 laborers. 56 laborers complete for 2 days, but here the question is how many additional workers? That means we have already 16 laborers. Then we need for subtract original labor 16 minus 56 minus 16, that means 40 labor. So we need 40 additional worker need for done the work in 2 days. Thank you.